Introducing EunSeong F.A.'s production line solutions. We're pleased to showcase the comprehensive production lines manufactured by EunSeong F.A. Today we'll explore our ABS robot insertion and inspection line, Yoke bobbin assembly and inspection line, FPCB crimping line, press fit mold assembly line, PMW connector assembly line, mega fuse insertion line, junction box line, and secondary battery lines. ABS robot insertion and inspection line. This integrated line handles reel cutting, component preparation, mold insertion and molding, and inspection to produce finished products. Examining the line architecture, you'll see insertion and inspection stations featuring robotic arms and robotic grippers. EunSeong F.A.'s ABS robot insertion and inspection line represents proven reliability, innovation, and technical expertise. Yoke bobbin assembly and inspection line. EunSeong F.A.'s yoke assembly and inspection line processes bobbin and yoke feeding, followed by assembly, bending, cutting, inspection, discharge, and packaging operations. The upper left image shows bobbins and yokes before processing, while the right displays finished products after assembly, bending, cutting, and inspection. FPCB crimping line. The FPCB crimping line positions FPCBs on jigs, performs crimping operations, then conducts inspection and discharge. Dedicated pallets are required, and the system features automatic pallet movement throughout the line. FPC stands for Flexible Printed Circuit, a thin, easily deformed alternative to conventional rigid PCBs. This flexibility necessitates specialized terminals, jigs, and accessories. PCB mold assembly line. Our PCB mold assembly line encompasses PCB preheating, curing, cooling, circuit testing, NG sorting, PCB cutting, mold pressing, pin inspection, functional testing, laser marking, and packaging capabilities. The PMW connector assembly line ensures thorough quality verification through vision inspection. The line processes component feeding, insertion, inspection, and product discharge. The upper left image shows bowl feeders, component supply devices installed inside the equipment, while the lower image displays the actual production line. Mega fuse insertion line. The mega fuse insertion line is engineered to support mega fuse inspection and assembly, bus bar assembly and barcode printing, bus bar clinching and inspection, force monitoring, and MES history management. Examining the mega fuse line main busbar process flow, Fuses are loaded, main bus bars are fed, laser marking is applied, and pressing operations are executed. This shows the megafuse line sub-bus bar process flow. Here's a complete view of the megafuse line with operational sequences for each station. Optional features include force monitoring and vision inspection systems. Junction box line. Next, we present our automotive electrical junction box line. Below, you can see fuses after insertion. Explore the intricate junction box manufacturing process, where each stage is meticulously automated. From vacuum loading to barcode insertion and precise resistor and terminal placement, every step is optimized. Robotic soldering and vision inspection ensure unparalleled quality. After soldering, components undergo cooling before packaging, maintaining efficiency throughout. This seamless integration of technology guarantees a robust production line, meeting business objectives with precision and reliability. The junction box production line comprises diverse equipment and processes. Vacuum systems, loaders, barcode readers, insertion and inspection equipment all work together through precision automation to guarantee product quality and productivity. Let me introduce our secondary battery line equipment. EunSeong maintains supply capabilities with Korea's 3 major manufacturers and leading Chinese battery producers. We'll now review our comprehensive secondary battery and automotive equipment line portfolio.